Welcome to All About Umami. I'm Dr. Bonito, your guide to the world of Japanese dashi, katsuobushi, and the deep flavor behind Japanese cooking, straight from the source. On this channel, we talk about how to cook the most delicious Japanese cuisine full of umami, or why the paper thin Bonito flakes dancing on hot food, or the traditional process of smoking, drying, and fermenting Bonito. Do you want to know why do Bonito flakes dance? Why does dashi taste so rich without meat or butter? You are in the right place. But this channel is not only for learning, it's for cooking better and understanding umami better. You'll discover simple ways to bring umami into your everyday cooking. Miso soup, noodles, rice balls, tofu, vegetables, and many other Japanese dishes will bring you the best katsuobushi tips from Japan, straight from the source. If you want to understand why Japanese food tastes so good and how to bring that flavor into your own cooking, this channel is for you. For business inquiries or collaboration opportunities, please see the contact information in the description below. Subscribe to All About Umami and let's discover the delicious science of Japanese cooking together. Have a flavorful day!